Hello, my fellow student. I'm here to apologize to you. You know that there's many days that I don't give you your lessons, but I'm really sorry. It's just because I don't have enough material to do a better video for you. But I think that from Wednesday, I'll give you whatever you want. So if you are seeing this video, be patient. We will continue in another day, and I think that everything is going to be okay. So, and please continue to watch the video that we have there, because if you're a student, you need to revise, you need to do more things about the your lesson. Yeah, to memorize it, to practice, to check if you are doing it well, to check if you are growing up in your languages. Yeah. So because of that, I'm going to give you a short video that you're going to share with other, and that video will help everyone to know the day then that we are going to start learning again. So be patient. Maybe at between 2 or 3 hours, I'll publish a video that will help you today. So thank you for your